In the grand tapestry of life, each thread weaves its own unique tale. Today, we will unravel the story of a stepdaughter and her journey from estrangement to understanding. This narrative begins with an introduction of a new member into the family, a stepfather. As often happens in blended families, the arrival of the stepfather was met with mixed emotions. For our protagonist, the stepdaughter, it was a challenge that she wasn't entirely prepared for. In the early days, the stepdaughter grappled with feelings of resentment and confusion. The man that was now part of her family was a stranger, an unexpected change in her life. She found herself questioning the authenticity of his affection. This led to a heart-wrenching decision. She chose to sever her ties with her family. Her journey of estrangement was a lonely one, filled with self-doubt and regret. It was a time of introspection, of questioning her decision, and grappling with the consequences of her actions. She found herself yearning for the familiar comfort of her family, the laughter-filled dinners, and the shared moments of joy and sorrow. As months turned into years, she realized the impact of her decision. She saw her family from a distance, their lives moving on without her. She witnessed the stepfather's genuine efforts to blend with the family, his kindness towards her mother and siblings. She saw love, she saw acceptance, and she saw a family standing strong amidst life's trials. This realization was a turning point in her life. The stepdaughter decided to reach out to mend the fences she had once broken. She reached out to her family, her stepfather, and initiated a dialogue. It was an arduous task, filled with uncomfortable conversations and moments of vulnerability. But she persevered, driven by the desire to reclaim her place in the family. The process of reconciliation was a journey in itself, a journey of understanding, acceptance, and love. It was a lesson in humility, in admitting her mistakes, and seeking forgiveness. It was a testament to the power of love, the strength of family bonds, and the resilience of the human spirit. The stepdaughter's journey from estrangement to reconciliation is a powerful narrative of growth and personal evolution. It's a testament to the strength of the human spirit and the power of love and forgiveness. It's a reminder that family bonds, however complicated, have the power to heal, to nurture, and to transform. In the end, the stepdaughter's journey teaches us that it's never too late to mend broken relationships. It reminds us that people can change, that love can prevail, and that forgiveness can heal the deepest wounds. As we navigate the complexities of our own family dynamics, let us remember the stepdaughter's story